Well, hello, you trader nerds. How is everybody doing on this day after the time change? For those of you in Arizona, and I forget there's one other state that doesn't do the time change. Y'all are the smart ones. We in Georgia are dumb as a box of rocks because we still change the time. And I wish if Trump is making America great again, let's stop this nonsense, somebody, and let's quit changing this time. I would love to keep daylight savings time all year round. Our kids no longer go work in the cotton fields. It is time to get rid of this garbage. Oh, I am tired and just shaken. It's and apparently I'm not the only one that's shaking. The market is shaking. So welcome in everybody. Glad to have you with us. We've got DB, we got Don, we got Dwayne, we got Hal, we got Lee's iPhone, we got Make the 111 Great Again. Matt Jolly Wally roll tide with a win over Auburn. How about that? At the buzzer, overtime. Roll tide. Got Mike Shaw with us. Mike, we ain't seen you in a while. We got Mo with us. We got the notional Edster. We got PSG. We got Stacy. And glad to have you all. Make the 111 great again. Says, in case you're wondering, the 111s are getting smoked. But the hedges have kept buying power at 80% or less across accounts while I cash out the nearest dated put debit spreads for about 80% of max spread with, and then roll the naked put down and out into a new 111 for a small credit and free up more buying power. That's good to know. That's really great to know because the markets are definitely groggy. And what I'm happy about, and I'll post the video, we haven't done it yet, is I was happy because we did 5 straight days of profits in a simulated account on scalps. And about the scalps are about the only positive thing that we've been doing recently with our accounts, but that's okay. We knew that that TQQ was going to be a volatile asset. So those of us that are in it, you just got to have the wherewithal to hold. And hopefully we do have that wherewithal, even though our accounts are getting smoked, baby. Smoked, smoked, smoked. So we are down. Look at this, 2.88% in the, and you know how most of the time I've got all these indicators here, all these lines, nothing. We are in no man's land. Look here, there's nothing. We just made the low of the day. See that? We just made the low of the NASDAQ a few minutes ago. And the AD just made the low of the day. So AD negative 175. VIX is up to 28, y'all. Wow. Waka, waka, waka. This thing is rolling. So, but I am undeterred because I'm really excited about, or at least our scalping things that we've been doing. And that's been working out really, really well. So let's look at the big green monster, see if we can tell anything about what's going on here. So we'll look at the E-minis first. And we're getting smoked, baby. Look at this. Just smoked, smack dab. This is what you call a trend day, it looks like. Look at this gap open. See the gap open and then just straight down like a rock. Let's see if we got anything down here to catch us. Oh my gosh, y'all. We don't even have anything down here to catch us on the big green monster. Now you're sitting there going, Bobby, what do? You've run out of screen. Well, I'm glad you asked, my friend, because what we do is we actually right click and we duplicate. Okay. And then we do a little thing that looks like this. We move this baby down and we're going to go until we get some. There we go. We're going to put that on top of that. Like that. Oh, heck. Why didn't it work? We're going to put that. Come on. Right there. And then we're going to hit the escape key. Now we got plenty of chart. So it looks like we've got a little bit maybe of support at the 55.87. We ain't far from it, y'all. So we'll see what this thing does. So that's all you do if your charts do that. Let's see what NQ looks like. Nasty. All right, we had 0 economic reports out today, so there must have been something by your President Trump. When the market's up, he's my President Trump. when the market's down, he's your President Trump. So same thing over here. So let's do the same thing. Let's go. This is NQ. We've fallen off the charts. Let's do duplicate. And let's just move it down. Come here, little fella. Right there. Oh, that's enough to make you look drunk, doesn't it? Here we go. So we are fairly priced, and we will have support at the, can you imagine NASDAQ being at the 18,980? All right, so let's look at the, let's see what the big thing is today, because I got to be honest with you, and I'm always honest with you. The reason that we got a late start today is because I had to take me a nap. I was so tired. I said, unbelievable. So I hadn't traded anything today. So there's nothing red here. Nothing red. Let's say U.S. and China discuss a Trump-Xi summit in June. Wow. How about that? Beijing hopes plans could pave the way for formal trade talks to start. Well, you would think that would be positive, but apparently not so. Not so. So let's go look at our little thing here that is falling off the thing. Oh my gosh. I mean, these little things never even look. Look at this. We are just in the house of pain. And look, this is almost straightened out now. All right, I don't want to look at it, but we got to look at our account, y'all. Y'all know we got to, because that's what we do. We're down $4,600 today. Net lick of 65. And now on all of our accounts, we're only down 2,300 on the year, but that's not right. We want to be a profitable baby. Profitable baby. So I would imagine that short call that Ed the other day said I needed to put a 50% thing in is gone. Look, it is. Wow. And our put is in the house of pain. Check that out. So what are you going to do? Well, I'm not selling another one. And the worst case scenario is we'll get a sign on those 75 puts. I wonder if you could even roll them at this point at all. I don't want to even look at it. I don't want to look at it till it's about 21 days down. Let's see if our ES is doing anything. Our ES is up 357 on the day. So that's a good little thing. And our micros are up $40.90 on the day on these hedges. So that's good. And so, but these are not designed, y'all, to make the big money on these controlled 2 and 3% down days. They're there to do something on a 15, 10, 20% down move. So we're fine. Let's look at our hedge, see how we're doing today. But I think the biggest thing today is don't panic. We know what we're doing, right? And so we've got hedges in place, and we've got about $17,000 of protection in the event that things go really, really awry. All right, y'all, that is our session for the day. I think I'm going to go scout for a little while, and I will see y'all tomorrow.